Hello YouTube, this is your boy LJ Chill here. I'm here for another product review. And this time is this baby right here. A legitimate Victorinox-Swiss Army knife. This is the Victorinox Cyber Tool Lite, just to be specific. This is my very first Swiss Army knife. So let's walk through like the different tools it has on it. I'm just gonna open them up and show you. Cause I knew I needed like a handy tool, like a versatile tool to have around. So I figured a Swiss Army knife would be a pretty good one to have. So I'm just opening it up for you. Just give me a minute here, laugh out loud. There, these are most of the tools it has on there. There's a little more, but but these are things that I would use on there. See the different variations of like this of Swiss Army knives. So I decided like with this you can I can cut things, there's a nail file, I can file like nails, my nails, this is like an ultimate handy tool just in case you need to like perform a task and do multiple things around like your home or anywhere. And I see there's other models of the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. There's other variations like there's like the Swiss Champ, which has even more tools. I think it has like a corkscrew on it and like a pen or something. Yeah. But I'm gonna start collecting these too. Then I probably can switch off depending on what I need, what tools I need. But this is a pretty good. These are pretty good tools to get into. Yeah. And of course, if necessary, it could be used as, self-defense. Let's put it in those words, but I don't regret getting this. Alright, peace.